Hey guys, so we're here at Terminal 21. We're at the Mini Motor Auto Show. We thought we would give you a nice little tour today and down here in Pattaya. It's really great. It's packed out with so many people. So we're just gonna mostly walk around, show you some of the cool cars that they have here at Terminal 21. Make sure you check out our walking tour of Terminal 21, that video online. And also make sure you check out our food court video. We need you to like this channel. We need you to subscribe as well, most importantly. Life is good right now in Thailand. Let's get straight to it, all right? Guys, it is extremely packed, extremely busy out here at Terminal 21 Pattaya car show that they have going on. They got the Mustangs, they got the American cars, they got the elderly cars, they got the French cars. Anything you think of, it's pretty much here. It's hot. They got this big ass plane here as well. But listen guys, we're gonna try to get some good shots. We're gonna try to walk around and film this. It's a lot of content, a lot of stuff going on right now, so let's try to get through it. All right, we got a lot of people here, and we're still trying to cross the street. As you guys can see, people are trying to get out and go home. We got Bumblebee over here as well.
Your favorite one.
Alright. Alright, man, let's get some of the customs real quick. We got a McLaren right here. Alright. We got people auctioning off the cars. Hey. Try to go, sorry. So many people are taking photos. So we're trying to get through. Oh man, look at all this machinery in this truck. All this nitro. Wow. You know what? I don't even know what I'm looking at. This stuff just looks expensive. They have models out here as well, showing cases the cars. Whoa, concept car, Pattaya.
What car is that?
It say concept.
Your feet.
Wow. Okay, it's a concept car. Pretty cool. Another one with the custom seats inside. Oh, we can't pass the nitro here. Wow. Look at the tires on this car. You know, it's beautiful right now, but I'm sure they all light up as well. They got like the custom lights on here. And it's just like we're still outside of Terminal 21, as you guys can see. Love the rims and the car tire.
Do you know what car is that?
It looks like a. It's a Suzuki. I don't know, what is that right there?
Undefeated.
Very cool.
Your feet.
We got another plane. Looks so real, but it's not. So cool. Look at the rims on this car. Oh, we didn't even get the BMWs over there. We gotta walk over there. Wait a minute. This is a custom-made van? Oh, okay. Wow. Pretty cool. We're gonna walk over and look at some other cars on the streets. So many cool cars outside right now. And we also got some cars that are inside the mall as well. We're gonna show you some of those shots. So we got some cool BMWs starting off. Look like they got some custom wraps on them for sure. Material looks really good though. This black and orange giving me little strong Halloween vibes, but I'm really loving it. We got the less wrap on here, so that's really cool. I love the rims as well, so you can definitely tell that they probably light up at night. And you got like a nice little vibe to it. But I love it, I'm loving it. It's a beautiful, beautiful design car. Wow. Half orange, half black. Look like it's another BMW. They just changed the plate. They got like a little anime theme. Pretty cool. And then we got this green. Looks like a Nissan, but I've never heard of it. With the red rims. And I got the tail on the back. It is packed, man. Hundreds of people here today. Terminal 21. This motor show, so it's really big. got the V8 engine in there. Wow. Car show, man, it's amazing. It's beautiful. Wow. That golden wrap is so cool. Wow. Alright guys, we're gonna try to check out the other side real quick. I've seen this car before.